Hebridean Voyages, an anthology of sea crossings to the Western Islands of Scotland. This is a compilation of people's accounts of sea journeys to these islands. It includes over 100 such stories. The earliest one dates from 1822, only 3 years after the first steamship made its way up the west coast, right up until the 1950s. By then it becomes so much easier to reach the islands that few people wrote about their journeys. The accounts take you to almost all the Hebridean Islands, although it's not surprising that many writers had Iona, Staffa and St Kilda as their destinations. The tales are less about places. There's plenty of books about places, but they're much more than simply about ships. You can read about departures, arrivals. You can read about life on board and the fellow passengers, many different kinds of people. About sailing in weather of all kinds, rain, storms, fogs, flat calms, and there are even a couple of shipwrecks. Most of the journeys were made for pleasure, although some were made as part of the writer's work. The writers include well-known authors and travel writers of the times, while some have preferred to remain anonymous. As well as being of interest to ship lovers and to armchair travellers, Hebridean Voyages is also a part of the social history of the Hebrides, and it's a part which has never before been brought together.